So I've got this, and this.
Yay!
Welcome back to the channel, folks, for a new video. So I've got this, and this. We're going to be making something festive, obviously, because it is Christmas.
Oh my God!
This one is something that you could try at home, folks. Grab yourself a bit of a log from the garden, or maybe your local wood store. And it could be just a cool project for all the family. Or maybe you could make these and maybe sell them on, you know? Bit of a sideline hustle. Okay, here we go. So what we've got is we've got this, which is going to be our body. We need to chop this up because we want some legs. You know what I'm saying? So we're going to chop this up now. I don't know how big they're going to let it be. We'll measure them up, shall we? We'll measure them up. Oh, there goes his head. So, what do we want? What do we want? So I reckon we want to go for something. Oh, let's just use this as a. That's probably about right, isn't it? Something like that. Yeah. Okay, well, maybe we can use these after all, eh? So we're looking at about 5 inches. That'll do. That'll do, pig. Okie dokie.
Look, it's okie dokie.
This one's a little bit thicker, but it's all right, you know. We all haven't got the same size legs, you know. So the idea is we're going to be making something Christmassy. So we don't know what yet. We're about to find out. You can't get enough glue, do you know what I'm saying? Yeah, a little bit too much glue there, folks, but no sweat, no worries. Okay, so I'll just put some elastic bands around there to kind of keep the legs intact. They're in there, so we're going to leave that overnight, come back in the morning, and then we can carry on with this one. I hope you're enjoying it. It's fairly straightforward. Drilling holes, putting some sticks in, gluing them up. That's our first kind of like bit. It's going to be a quick video, folks. I'm telling you, it's going to be a quick video. Trust me. Okay. Hey, while we wait, I mean, obviously it takes 24 hours, but while we haven't got anything to do, we will shape up the head. So I'm going to put my little centre piece in here. There we go. Squeeze that in there. Now, I just want to try and trim this down a bit. Now, I'm going to try and find the centre of this piece. Got this little centre finder. I don't know if you know about these, but these are quite good. Basically, they find the centre of anything. So, happy days. So we're just going to do a few squiggles. Know what I'm saying? And we've kind of got an indication as to where the centre might be, ish. So let's just mark this up. Right, pop that in there. So let's find roughly the centre, which I think is around about there mush. And around about there mush. I'll just squeeze that in and just see if I'm any good. That'll do. That'll do, pig. So I'm just going to trim this down a bit. I didn't really want to trim it down. Obviously, ideally, you want to just try and find a smaller piece for this head. But I didn't find one, so it's not in there very tightly, is it? Let's tighten it up a bit more. Right, there we go. So it's smaller now, but it is, I wanted it rough and ready, you know, like this. And that's obviously not rough and ready now because I've taken all the rough and ready off. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try and make it rough and ready as much as possible. Bear with. So there we go. I mean, it's not perfect, but it looks, you know, a bit more rough and ready rather than it being clean and pristine. So maybe a bit more work on it when we get it together, but that'll do for now, Pig. Hello, my name's Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer, although I don't have a red nose. Hello. So there it is, folks, something that you can make at home for the festive Christmas season. Happy days, there we go. It turned out better than I thought, actually. A little bit of a reindeer. Is it a reindeer? It's a reindeer, isn't it? It's a reindeer. And just bits of wood, really, and some, obviously, bit of rope. Different size rope I've used there. You can use the same size rope. And I got these little cherry things for his ears. You could use anything for ears, really. But yeah, there we go, folks. Hope you enjoyed the video. It's a new one. I do have a couple of new ones floating around. I've got one over there that I'm half making and one over there that I'm half making. And I am going to do a candle video. If you haven't seen my candles, I'm making a few little Zammeti candles for Christmas. I might make some more with different scents in the new year, but at the moment I've got loads of Christmas tree scent ones on my website. Check them out. But yeah, I just thought I would come up with something Christmassy that was quick and easy that everyone can try at home. Also, everyone, you know, for those of you that have a workshop or might want to get the parents involved, come on, let's get one of these made. Let's do this. Make one, send me a picture of it or post somewhere and tag me on Instagram and I'll repost it for you. I'll reshare it. How's that? Happy days. Don't forget Make Essential, folks, next May. I know it's about 5 months away, but it will creep up on us really quickly. Record Power is going to be there. Loads of people coming. I'll be there. And yeah, hope to see you there. Take care, folks. Don't forget, if you haven't subscribed, please hit the subscribe button or follow me on Instagram. Both, really. That would be absolutely great. And if you could share this video, it would really mean the world. Thank you. Take care, and I'll see you soon.